another live. Who is here ready for our discussion today? Let me know who is ready, who is here in the chat, who are my early supporters. I appreciate all of you guys. Let me see who is here today. So we're live now. Currently, we are live. You see, set up live. We live. And what's gonna be our discussion today? Our discussion today is gonna be about for my traders, and then we're gonna get into our rants. We always ranting because I like talking to you guys and just share the mindset, the perspective. I'll soon be doing breakdowns with you, other things that I'm working on. Yes. This is loud. Oh, okay, wait, guys. Okay, we do it live. Okay, drop a one in the chat if you are hearing me clearly. Drop a one in the chat if you are hearing me clearly. Let's make sure everything is good. Drop a one in the chat if you are hearing me clearly. Okay, so we're back live. Yeah, so on our discussion today, this one is for my traders. You see the topic today, it's big trading accounts versus small flipping accounts. A lot of people have different ideas, different perspectives, different opinions on this. And I want to know, if you're a trader, what is your opinion or perspective? Do you think you prefer, or do you prefer to trade big trading accounts, or do you prefer to grow small trading accounts? Although the aim is always to get to a bigger account, but let me know if where you are in your journey, if you prefer to trade big trading accounts, or you prefer to flip small accounts, because depends on which one you are and which stage you are in your journey. Then you have to have a different mindset and a different strategy on how you go about it, so you can get the best results from where you are currently. So it depends on if you have a big trading account or you have a small trading account. It depends. Your strategy changes depends on where you are. So I want to know, if you are a trader right now, where what should do you prefer, to grow your small trading account, or you prefer to have a bigger account? Let me know your perspective. I want to know your perspective for all my traders. Tell me if you prefer to trade with a big trading account or a small trading account, and tell me your experience. We are gonna have a great discussion here today. I'll drop in my experience, as you know, and we get to it. So for all you guys watching, remember, and also don't have a problem to drop where you are from, where you're watching this video from. Shout out from all over the world. We've been getting people from India, South Africa, Australia, France, everywhere around the world. Places I've never been currently yet. But all people watching from all parts. So if you're here, feel free to drop your flag where you're from. If you're, go ahead and do that. And I greatly appreciate that, so we can big you up from where you are in the world. Edits for you, 1243. Cool. Bless up, bro. Which part of the world are you repping from? So we can go ahead and give you your big ups. We want to big you up anywhere in the world you come from. You could have been anywhere else, but you are here today on the Cole Mansion Live. So that is greatly appreciated. So let me know where you're from, so we can big you up. Edits for you. And we are, as I said, we are going over today. We'll be talking about big trading accounts versus small trading accounts, and how the best strategy to go to attack then or to trade each of them, because based on which one you're going to have a different strategy on how you trade it. So we're waiting on some people to jump in. As I said, if you just click on, drop your flag in the comment section, let us know which part of the world you are watching from today. I'm Orit. I'm from Jamaica. If you are new here for the first time, Jamaica. So that's 876. We're representing from the 876. So that's where I'm from. I'm from the 876. So let me know where you are from. Let me know where you are from, and we'll go over that, and we'll talk about getting our discussion, and then we're gonna go on our rant, because we always ranting, we're always ranting. So Jamaica, let me put my flag in the comment section so you know where I'm from. So see, Jamaica, let me know where you are from. Jamaica, I'm from Jamaica. 876. Yes. So let's get right into our discussion. I'm going to talk. We have 18 people here. We see 16 people here. Appreciate you for being here. You could have been anywhere else in the world, but you are here currently. So let's get right into our discussion. So on this channel, if you are new here, Orit from Jamaica, I trade currently. A lot more things coming, but now we are just focused on trading. So if you are a trader and you are here today, drop your flag. We're representing from. I'm representing from Jamaica. So we have big trading accounts and we have small flipping accounts. A lot of people around the world are from third world countries, smaller countries. They don't have the big capital to deploy, like if you're in a first world country, like let's say United States of America, you are in the UK, Canada, France, Germany. If you are in one of those countries, the economy would be different in those countries than in, let's say, in a country like Jamaica or in the Caribbean or some parts of Africa or other places where the economy is less. So the disposable income for trading is not that much than if you were in a first world country. So most persons in the third world country, they would be trading with smaller accounts. No, nothing is wrong with trading with smaller accounts, but the aim is always to get to a bigger account, because a bigger account mean you have a thing that I say, you have more face value money. And let me explain what face value money is. Face value money is an amount where if you should consistently win that, or you should get that from the market on a day-to-day basis, on a day-to-day basis, and you consistently get that amount, then you will be making good profit. For me, even though in Jamaica, the limits, there's always never a limit, because more would always be better. But in Jamaica, the face value money, I always say it's $100, because $100 in Jamaica would be 16,000. 100 USD in Jamaica would be 16,000. So that is always a range where you want to ensure that every time you are making profits, then your profit would be over $100. That is always the best time to be, because you know that you can actually take that money from the market and then you'll have a sustainable income. Because remember, again, as I said, in the third world countries, if you are making, let's say, 200 or 300,000 in Jamaica, of course you're not going to be no rich, but you'll be making more than the average person. So even if you start off with that now, then you know that if you make that amount consistently, then you can start using those profits now and start reinvesting in other things, whether it be prop firm, or you can take aside some and then invest in business to build a bigger leverage, and so you can get more money from that. So that is not the end goal now, that we are saying, okay, we get 200,000 and we are done. No, but if you can consistently make that amount from the market, then that would be very good. That would be very good. So the car guy Lambo donated 700. Where is that 700, bro? Where is that 700? That would be that would be greatly appreciated. Where is that 700? Let us know, the car guy Lambo. Yes, but if you make if you make that amount in Jamaica, like let's say 200,000 on a consistent basis from the market, then you know that you can start using that trading income now to sustain and grow to get bigger leverage now, because now that would be the small strategy now when you're trading with a small account. Your strategy is not to go from 0 to 100 million. No, is to go where you can make a consistent amount from the market. Let us say, as I said, you have a face value money. From your country, let me know what is your face value money. Like, let us say if you were making that amount on a day-to-day basis or on a month-to-month basis, then you would be comfortable then. While we're not going for comfort because we're always pushing our limits, but let us know we have to start from somewhere, build that proper foundation, and then we can always build on top of that amount that we have, so, and that foundation. So once you have the proper foundation, then we can start building on that foundation. So let me know that amount for you in Jamaica. As I say, if you can make $100 a day, let us say you do that for 5 times for the week, that would be 500, and you do that for every week. Just say, because sometimes you'll be winning more, losing more. That would be $2,000. So $2,000, if you would make that in Jamaica, that would be at the range of the exchange rate, it would be like 320,000 at 160. So if you make that amount, then you could be comfortable. So that is always the aim when you're trading with a small account, to build things, build a proper foundation. Because when you do that now, you can trade consistently now and disciplined and reach a certain amount. And then you build that foundation, and then you can start reinvesting your profits, whether that's in a business or prop firms, as I said. Now when you're trading bigger accounts now is when your strategy changes now. Of course, you're always looking to grow, but no, you're not looking to flip the account. You're going now and you're saying, okay, if I can consistently make XY amount now, let us say you have let us use a prop firm account, and you have a 50K account, you invest in a 50K account, and you pass the evaluation stage, and then you make, let us say now from the withdrawals, you can make $1,000 every 2 weeks then, or a week. Because now you have bigger, but you still have to trade with discipline, and you can make 2,000 or 1,000 now a week, and you make 4,000 for the month. You see, now you have bigger leverage, so now you can do more, you can invest in more prop firm accounts, and then you can start scaling now. And again, the aim in trading is always to get the money from the markets and then invest it into businesses or even more prop firms or things that can get you back some money. So you get a return on your investment. You don't want your trading income to be the only source, because that's when you're going to be needing it. You're going to be needy. And then you always want to be, it's easier that time to be indisciplined, because then if you don't make profits from the market, then you're going to be stressed out. Then you can't pay your bills, you can't take care of your family. You don't want to be in that position. That is one of the hardest positions to be in, when you can't sustain, when you have trading as your only source of income. So you have to, once you start making profits now, you have to withdraw some of that profits while you leave some to grow in the account, let it get bigger and bigger. But you want to withdraw some as well now to put into other businesses and other vehicles, so you can make a return on your investments. So when now you have that now, then you can even take back that same money and put back into trading. So that is how you want to do it. And you see, again, based on where you are in your journey and where you are from as well, you might have to, it is going to take a little even more. Why? Because you have to do it different from if you were in a first world country, because the rules are different based on the economy. But you can't say because you're not in America or because you're not in whatsoever. No, you have to start from where you are with what you have and know that if the you might not happen so quickly and you might not have that disposable income, but that doesn't mean you can't do it. If I believe that, then you would see me here today. If I had believed that, if as I started 6 years ago in so in next a couple weeks, in a couple weeks will be 6 years. Started in February of 2020. Actually, one day before my birthday, I started, and I started out first with savings, and I was just going, losing. You know that story. If you know here, you know I didn't make any withdrawal until close to my fourth year of trading. I made one withdrawal back in June of 2020 or July, one of those months. And then after that, I made no withdrawals, absolutely none, for until 4 years later. But none during all that time. I only had smaller. I had like $1,000 accounts, and then sometime I would have a 500 or a 200 because I would just put all the money that I had into the trading because I knew one thing. I said if I could develop the skill where I could make the money consistently from just the power of my mind, sign me up. That is what I always wanted. And I started then, and I said, I will never stop until I get it. Until I understand this skill, I will never stop. And see we here, 6 years later, now created a wicked strategy. Now start making consistent profits. At first I had consistent profits, and then I blew it because I couldn't manage the breakout. Then that is even my next topic. When you start making money, you're not from money, so you don't know how to handle yourself. So you're still in that scarcity mindset. So you're still scared, and you don't know how to manage yourself, and you end up going back to the level that you are comfortable with. But that was then. Now we're changing the ball game. No, this time we're going to the moon. We're not going back. So you're gonna see $1,000 profits. You're gonna see $10,000 profits. Mark it here, February, or goal this year. We don't like to keep our goals to. We like to keep our goals a secrecy because we don't want to any negative energy around it. But I know that you are positive right here. Our goal first is to hit our first 10K month, and I'm gonna show it and show a screenshot with you guys who are here today. The first goal that is to make our first 10K, and I know I'm gonna hit it before this year ends. I don't know which month, but I know I'm gonna hit it because I'm doing everything on my end to make sure that that becomes a reality and becomes a reality. I know it's gonna happen. When it's gonna happen, I don't know, but I know it's going to happen. Yes, so if you are on a journey now as well, remember, just know that for my traders now we're speaking about, don't matter which part in the world you are from, just start with the little that you have learned the skills. I have a lot of videos on my YouTube channel, live breakdowns. I have psychology videos. I'm doing these now as well. So if you're not in the proper state of mind, you can watch these videos, get the proper mindset so you can make. Because if this is not a financial advice and this is not a financial claims, but if someone who is new to trading, watch my videos back to back, take the notes from them, study everything I do to the exact I can almost. I'm not going to guarantee because I don't want any financial claim and you to sue me. And because this is for educational purposes, so we're not binding by that, but you can really, I really believe you can become a better trader and start making your profits. That is not even believe. It's not even believe. I know. Well, again, not financial claim, but you know if you watch the videos, study, apply, practice, because I break down everything into its simplest form. I believe, again, if you can't understand it in that simplest form, then boy, it's because everything else is going to be more complex than what I teach. I teach it to the simplest to take away all that excess. Because I say it on the videos all the time. Trading is very simple, not very easy, very simple. So once you have a repeatable process, which I show on my breakdowns, watch them, I post one every Sunday and every Thursday. Watch them. It is very simple, the process that I'm showing. I'm not showing you anything that you couldn't understand. It's the same thing that I'm showing you. It's the same thing I'm doing for myself and making consistent profits. So really and truly, I'm telling you, if you are new here, and even if you are old, watch the videos if you want to take up trading as a side quest, a side hustle. That you can really watch the videos, really get some real gem. I'm not gonna tell you that I'm the best, but I'm gonna tell you that I'm good at what I do because I've spent 6 years developing it, testing it over time, losing, stop doing it, and then I have to come back to it so I know that okay, this thing actually works. So if you are new and you want a strategy, click the link in the description. If you want me to work with you personally, close one-on-one, again, click the link in the description or in the Telegram group and reach out to me so we can schedule that. I'll send you the link for that. But that is our first rant, on our big account and small account. But don't let anyone let you feel bad for where you are, because you can't judge yourself by somebody else who is not in your situation and in your position. Because if somebody is in America, it's different from you in Jamaica, because the economy is different, meaning the access to capital is also different. So it is even more, you have to do even more work to make sure that you get a skill up. And I have the link in the description on my channel. Yeah, the link is there for you to get your skill up. You have no excuses. So we're not making no excuses. And I know most times we are first generation traders too. So we are the ones that want to be the first one to create that structure in our family, and you have opportunities. Since you have the internet. Again, I see some people come from Australia. I've never been to Australia. See people come from France, Poland, South Africa. I've never been to all those places, but see what made it possible. The internet and a smartphone device made all of that possible. So it's the same way. If you don't know what to do now to make some money, click the subscribe to the channel, get all the videos, watch them, practice them on the charts, and you're going to have a strategy that you can go into the market. Because a lot of foolishness being treated, a lot of foolishness is out there being taught, and things that are going to confuse you more than. So I break it down simple for you guys. And I have my students getting results, part of the team. My guy Spiel, shout out to Spiel if Spiel is here. He's getting his first funded account after years of trading. I have Alexis, who turned $98 into over 4K. He was going to give up on trading. And I have my blood brother, who I gave a simple system. And he's killing it now, growing his account. And now we are going to leverage and scale now to bigger accounts, because that's what we are going to do now. We are going to leverage our skill, because we have the skill, I have the system. So now it's just going to leverage that, because it's the same skill that works on a small account or a bigger account. The only thing would be difference would be the lot size, the account size, and your emotional tolerance for risk. I'm not scared to lose anything. I've lost everything already, so I'm not scared to lose anything. So I can risk. I'm not afraid to risk anything, because there's nothing to lose, to be honest. It's always a lesson, not a loss. So if I lose, then I just buy a next account, and I will refine what I did wrong and then go again. Simple. And this is the approach that you have to take to life. Of course, you're going to take calculated risk. So you're not going to just out there and put your rent money or your money that you need for your food and those. You're not going to use those, but your money that you can risk to take a chance. Because the biggest risk is not to take a risk. Because if you think about it, you know the path that you're on. You take a time and you look at it and you say, okay, if I continue to do this over the next 40 or 50 years of my life, where is that going to lead you to? Where is that going to lead you to? You have to look at that now and you're gonna say, okay, so if that vehicle that you're in now, which would be probably a 9 to 5, or you're doing something on the side, if that can't lead you to the outcome that you want, then you have to start looking at doing something different and adding something to it. I'm not saying quit your job. No, don't quit your job. Don't quit your job until your other side hustle or your other business can take care of your monthly expenses. Don't take that risk. It's trading is too pressure already. You don't need that extra pressure. So that is how you have to approach it, so you can make really smart decisions. Car guy Lambo said he donated 700. Where did you donate that 700, bro? Let us know where you donated that 700. But so that is the approach that you have to take if you are trading a small account or a big account, based on where you are in your journey. Are you Oshimen? I don't know what that means, bro. Oshimen. I don't know what that means. Can you tell me what that means? Abik0707. Are you Oshimen? I don't know what that means. Go ahead and explain to me what that means. Victor Oshimen. Is that an African, somebody in Africa? An African artist or entertainer? I think I heard somebody say that you know, and I think I heard that before. Somebody said I look like a soccer player. I think I heard that before. let me search for Victor Oshimen and see if I look like Victor Oshimen. Let me see. So Abby, say I look like Victor Oshimen. What you think? Tell me if I look like Victor Oshimen. But I think I heard it. I heard it somewhere already. Or somebody said I look like either some Nigerian artist or somebody. I don't know. What if we don't know? Or genes, we don't know. We don't know what is possible. But Victor Oshimen, yeah man, I know. I've heard the name before. So Abik, I guess you are from where? Africa, Nigeria, Ghana. Drop your flag where you're from. Let us know where you're from so we can give you your shout out. You want to know everyone where everyone here is from. Again, you see me, mine pinned. I'm from Jamaica. So I'm from Jamaica. Let me know where. Okay, Abby is from Turkey. So shout out to Turkey. Shout out to Turkey. Thanks for passing through. You could be anywhere today, but you are here today. And are you a trader? Are you a trader? Abby, are you a trader? Let us know if you are a trader. Are you trading the market too? So whether it's crypto, you have futures, forex, indices. Let us know if you are a trader. So we currently do trading here, Cold Mansion, but we're not limiting ourselves to anything currently. We're just working now on trading, building up our skills in other areas as well. Because you know a lot of things, you have a lot of knowledge. You have to have a lot of knowledge. So let us know if you are a trader. Yes, and if you have any questions, remember, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. Go ahead and drop a question. Let us go ahead and answer your question because you're here today. We want you to engage. Let us drop a 1 in the chat, drop a fire emoji in the chat. If you like my ranting, let us know. Comment, interact, and let us know if you are getting value, if your perspective on something, anything. Go ahead, drop your questions here. Again, if you're new, you know that the setup will soon come. where I'll be doing chart breakdowns. I maybe set up now where you can send in a chart and review it live. We have a lot more things coming. We have Nikki from USA. Shout out Nikki from USA. Thanks for being here. You could be anywhere, but you are here. What market are you in? Do you trade? Do you have a side hustle? Let's talk about it. Let us know what your profession is because you're here today. So let us talk. Nikki. Nikki is from USA. We have Abik from, or Abik0707 from Turkey. Let us know what is your profession, or if you're a trader, if you trade indices, you trade futures, forex, anything, because I'm well versed and well knowledgeable in this subject. A lot of subjects too. So let me know in the comments what you do, and we can have a discussion. A lot of people like to comment and say anything, but go scared. It's just a small amount of us now. You know, we soon get to bigger amounts as we start doing more things. As I was saying, when I get the proper setups, I'll be streaming on more platforms, and also I'll be doing live breakdowns with you where we can actually get trades to take, show you the pairs that I trade, and show you how I look for things on it so you can get the results as well. Show you how I do my risk management, how I do my lot size, how I do everything. So we soon get that set up, and then again soon have the link where you send your chart, we review your charts and give you some feedback on it. So stick around. Again, we're just starting out, getting comfortable with the camera. We're getting comfortable with just putting ourselves out there. So if you have something good to share, put yourself out there, because a lot of people are putting themselves out there and not sharing anything good. So why can't you, who is having good things to share it with the world? Somebody will listen to you. If somebody is your crowd, find your crowd. Somebody is your crowd. So find your crowd and connect with your crowd. Somebody may hear your story, and their story might be the story that actually helped to change their lives. So go ahead and do that. We're taking all actions here in 2026 because this year is going to be our year. This year and beyond is going to be our year. You see, we're starting out from where we are with what we have. Soon, better production, better videos, better quality videos, more value to you guys who are here. So again, we're starting from where we are with what we have, taking things to the next level. So don't worry about it. Again, remember, drop a comment in the comment section. Let us know where you are from, what market are you in, what are your plans. Do you want to try out trading? Do you want to learn a new skill? Are you scared with your mindset? Is there anything that you want to do but you're not sure how to tackle it? Go ahead, drop that here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Drop a comments in the comment section. And if you just want to show love, drop a fire emoji in the comment section. No problem. Drop a fire emoji. We are half an hour in the journey, you know. Half an hour into the live. So we half an hour into the live. We're always ranting. I'm always ranting. Go ahead and drop. We always go for 1 hour. So we're coming off at 2. Give me a topic. Any topic that you want me to speak about. I spoke about trading already. I spoke about our upcoming plans. Anything that you want to share, go ahead. Again, remember, if you're also a trader and you want one-on-one advice or consultation, remember, reach out to me in the Telegram group that I have, or I have a free group as well where you can get my secret sauce masterclass, because we've been killing the markets. I have two main pairs that I trade now, but I look at three, which would be the VIX 75. That one cannot be traded in North America. I have the MNQ, so that's futures. So I have one synthetic indices and one futures, and I can also trade US 30 Dow Jones as well. So if any one of those pairs that you trade those pairs and you are still struggling with it, you're still not making any profits, you still don't know how to mark up your charts, remember, drop a link in the click the link in the comments and get that, and let us set up a schedule a one-on-one call again, or you tap into my secret sauce masterclass. I have a free trial, so you can try for 5 days, get it risk free. If you try it and you don't like it, which I know you're going to like it, because break it down simple, not like those complex things that you see to confuse the market. No, simple things that I use here to grow in my accounts, and now we scale into bigger accounts by the end of the year. Our big goal, you remember, if you were here earlier on, you know our goal first. Our first goal is that 10K month, and then we're going for the bigger goal. I'm gonna show you when I get there. That one I'm gonna share with you when I get there, but we know we're gonna hit it because we are doing everything that is necessary to hit that goal. So let me know. Wait, I deleted a message. That one was a mistake. I deleted a message by Nikki. Nikki B. That was a mistake, Nikki B. That one was a mistake. I deleted the message. Yeah, but that one was a mistake. So I apologize, Nikki B. I clicked that by mistake. But yeah, let us know your goals. Let us know your goals in the chat and see how we can help you best with it. But that's it. Today we went over small accounts versus big accounts if you're a trader. Small accounts versus big accounts. And we are just here. We have 22 more minutes to go. So drop a comment, something to let's go. One fire emoji, something. Because I can go any topic that you want to talk about, I can go deeper into that topic. So drop a comment and let me know. And first, let's show you what we are up to now. Let's take a look at our Telegram group for now. So you see, we're getting a lot of results here in our Telegram group. Let me show you. These are the type of entries that we're getting in the market. These are the entries that we're getting in the market. Clean entries. So if you're still struggling with your entries, look at that. Let me show you. Clean entries, just back to back. Look at them. See, we have our take profit all the way down here. That's where we're targeting. Look at that. Let us show you. I did a small withdrawal over the weekend too, because this is from a small account that I'm growing. See? Small account. It may not seem the most, but we're growing it from a very small account. And now we are here. See? The 2 withdrawals. So soon those withdrawals, you're going to be seeing 500, then 5,000, then 10,000 and 50,000, because we're not stopping. We're going straight to the moon with it. So you see, this what I'm teaching works. Again, let me show you again on futures. On futures, I took 3 trades. Let me show you that. On Friday, 1 trade them back to back. Let me show you that. So again, let me show you that markup. See, we have, see our futures chart. So we've been killing futures now, and we're scaling on futures to to pass some fun. I'll let you know. So that is something that I'll let you know. And I made a video this week and I'm showing you my first withdrawal. Remember I said my first withdrawal was $107. See that withdrawal here. That was my first withdrawal, if you guys can see. You see the withdrawal? $107. That was my first ever withdrawal. And from then, I didn't make any withdrawal until 3 years after. See, we have the proof. See, this was when I took the next withdrawal. All the way back in 2023. So that first picture was 2020. And then this one was 2023. So you see, almost over 3 years we've been going on the journey. And we never made a single dollar of withdrawal until then. So you see, if you're on your journey now and you're feeling like you must quit or you must give up, there's no need for that. There's no need for that. There's absolutely no need for doing that. Because I was exactly where you are, probably even worse. Probably even worse. And now we're getting better, we soon get bigger profits. So that is it. Yeah, so that is what we're up to. We're killing it here. My guy is killing it as well. I want you to kill it. So click the link in the description and let's work together. Break down the chart simple so you can get the results that you want. Let's look at what else I can show you guys what we're working on. Let me show you what else we're working on, what we're cooking up over here. Also follow my X channel too. My X channel is there too. My X channel is there in the description. I post more results here and in my Telegram group too. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead, drop a like, drop a subscribe, drop a fire emoji so other people can see this video if you can watch it on the replay. That's what we up today. After this call, I have a call with WAP University. WAP is where we learning how to build a proper structure and for business. So we're learning other things to building up our skills because we never reach a spot where we feel like we are work is over. No, we always getting better, always looking to grow, always looking to improve. So I'm in the trenches with you too, and just not even nowhere yet, to be honest, because I feel like I'm nowhere, and it's not from ingratitude. I'm grateful that we have came a far way, but still not satisfied, because you know that we can always get better again. I'm here and I'm thinking, I'm saying, okay, I can't wait until my setup comes. Then I can start doing breakdowns. I can start showing you more things. I can start having you send in your charts. Let me do your review. You send that chart. I do my review. I can't wait to be doing those things. So right now I'm happy I'm here, but I'm also in the process of saying crazy. I need to improve, need to get better. And that's the mindset you have to have if you want to win. If you want to win, you have to always think about getting better. Because there's never a point where you are just okay, that's good. No. We always want to get better. So soon I'll be doing a lot more things. A lot more things, and I'm taking you with me. I'm taking you guys with me today. So that's it. We soon come up to the hour. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to drop it in the comment. Drop a fire emoji to let us know that you are here. Drop a fire emoji to let us know that you are here. And where you're from too. go ahead and drop a fire emoji. If you like my rants, tell me if you like my rants, or tell me if I'm talking too much. Let me know if I'm talking too much and I'm talking foolishness. I know I'm not speaking any foolishness though. But let me know in the comment section. Give me your feedbacks. Give me your feedback, let me know. I can take it on the chin. Give me your feedback and let me know. Again, if you are not already subscribed, go ahead, drop a like, drop a subscribe to the video so a lot more people can see it after they are watching it on the replay. So if you're not already subscribed and like the video, go ahead and do that. Currently, a lot of gems dropping here. A lot of gems will be coming as well too. So I'm just looking what more I can show you guys for today. Give you some updates. We're giving you some updates. You guys. Yeah. But that's what we're coming again today. Again, if you want any special topic that you want to speak about, and if you are here today, drop it in the comment section so I can do it. Or if you're watching the replay, go ahead and also type it so I can go ahead and we discuss that topic together, because I'm dealing with you guys. It's not you just listening to my rant. No, we actually building together. Team Cold Mansion, that is our name. Team Cold Mansion is our name. So if you have any topic, we can discuss that. So don't be afraid to drop your comments in the comment section and let me know which topic. And if you're scared, I have the link to my Telegram group and my personal. So you go ahead and say, I want you to answer this question, and I will answer it for you and make it on a video. So other persons who are maybe facing the same challenges as you, they can see the video and get help and get value from that. Because I know I've been through a lot, so I know a lot. I know a lot of things, and I like researching, I like reading, I like understanding things, so I know a lot of things. So if you have any questions, remember, I can give you some solid advice to help you change your life. And what is your life worth to you? You have to seek guidance from somebody who has been where you are, so they can tell you. Because imagine you're trying to get advice from somebody who has no clue. Yes, we can use awareness, which actually I'm good at. I'm actually good at it too. Even if I've never been in a situation, just based on a wide, diverse knowledge, I can say this would be my best outlook towards the situation. And a lot of times I'm correct. Even if I'm not correct, I can say, okay, I understand where I could have gone wrong or where I could have thought better about that, and even myself learn and grow as well too, because remember, we always learning. So that's how I approach life, always learning. I'm a sponge to knowledge. I never feel like I know everything, but I'm still confident in what I know. But I'm always open to say that, okay, this way is the better way. I'm willing to drop the ego, willing to drop what doesn't work to go to what works, because that's the end of it. That's what you want, right? To get the outcome. So if you want to get the outcome, you just do what? Apply with the best, align with the best in that to get you that outcome. So that is how I approach it. We're coming up into the 1 hour now. We close. We have 10 more minutes. You have 10 more minutes to listen to me ranting. 10 more minutes to listen to me ranting. So if you are here, again, drop a comment, fire emoji, something to let us know what's up. thanks for everybody. Okay, thanks for everybody who passed through, who came here live, and who stayed on the live. Again, you could have been anywhere else, but you are here today, and for that, I am really appreciative, really grateful. Again, we'll soon be doing a lot more things, giveaways, crazy. So don't worry yourself if you're here. We're just building the proper foundation, to take things to the next level. Let me see what else I can, because our time will soon be up now. I have what you call in the next couple hours. So I'm gonna go to that next week. I can share with you some knowledge again on a different topic. Again, I hope one of you send me a topic in the comment section or in the Telegram group, so I can discuss that. Because remember, we're building it together. Yeah. 8 more minutes. Let's see what's going on in the market. On futures, MNQ, I trade MNQ. Let's see what's going on in futures right now currently. See, now this is where I need my big screen to show you. But I can just look at it on the phone and I still understand it. This is where now I need my big screen, but soon, don't worry yourself. Yeah, so simple. Keep things very simple. I normally like to go to the 2, but I think I'm going to end here. Let us see somebody have one more question. Jump on if you have a question. I'm going to close out with close to the hour. I normally like going up to the hour, but let's not force it. If somebody has a question, go ahead and drop your questions in the comment section. I normally like to go to the hour, but we can close out a little early today. I know you guys got a lot of value still. And if you have any more questions, if you want to work closer, if you're still struggling with your trading, you want somebody to work with you, hold your hand so you can understand the market better, remember, click the link in the description. The link in the description is there for you. Go ahead, grab that. There is also a free masterclass trial for the masterclass. 5-day trial. Test it, apply it to your charts, get some results. Send me the screenshot of your results too. And if you're not already like it and subscribe to the video, go ahead and do that also, so the video pushes to more people. Yes, that would be appreciated. So we're gonna close out now. We have 5 more minutes. They say they have something OCD. I want to close, but I also want to wait until the 1 hour time come up until 2 o'clock. So you're gonna stay. Tell me if you're gonna stay 5 more minutes with me. We have 5 more minutes together. Tell me if you stay in that last 5 minutes. Let me know if you stay in that last 5 minutes. It's gonna feel incomplete if I close out before 2. So I have to just keep ranting. So you're stuck with me. You're stuck with me for the next 5 minutes. You're stuck with me for the next 5 minutes. We're here. Shout out to all my traders. I hope you're killing the market this week. The week just started. Oh, today it's when? Tuesday. Today it's Tuesday. I hope you have a banger rest of the week for all my traders and for all the rest of people who are not just traders and they came here and passed through. I wish you the best in everything that you are doing, whatever profession that you are in. I wish you all the best in that, and long life and success in whatever you do. That's what all the persons who are in other field other than trading. But for my traders, hope you kill the market. If you still don't understand it, click the link in there. Well, you're on the channel, so go ahead and watch the videos, rewatch them, follow exactly how I mark up my charts, and then you're going to start seeing and understanding the patterns of how we look at the market. Keep it simple like that. The strategy works if you work it. So just work it, do the right thing, and you can get results. And then also, when you get those results now, no financial get claim, but if you get those results now, send me them in the Telegram group so I can know that I can share it with other persons that, okay, see, my guy getting results, or my girl getting results, whichever gender you are, you're getting results. So we know, because I know it works for me, and I want it to work for you too. I want it to work for you too, so you can get the results that you want. Because we're leveling up together as a team. We're leveling up together as a team over here. Remember, the team is Team Cold Mansion, a house of greatness. That is Team Cold Mansion. That what's Cold Mansion mean? A house of greatness. So once you are here, you are a part of the house of greatness. So we have to level up together. That's what we are doing here at Team Cold Mansion. We are going to level up together. Yes, so we have 2 more minutes. You have 2 more minutes with me. Let's start a timer. 2 more minutes you have with me. We have 2 more minutes. Okay, the screen is dirty. You have 2 more minutes with me. So you have 2 more minutes. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions. Go ahead. 2 more minutes. Drop a fire emoji. Tell us where you are from. Again, I want to say thank you if you from where you are from. Big up to the people from Africa, the persons from Turkey, USA. Could have been anywhere else, but you stopped by here today. So thanks for passing through. We have 1 more minute. We're counting down. 1 more minute. Drop a fire emoji if you're not already if you do already like the video and subscribe, go ahead, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and stay tuned for the future videos where I'll be doing chart breakdowns, psychology tips. I'll be doing chart reviews on the live breakdowns too as well. You send in your chart link, I review it, and so you can get a better understanding of the market. So I'll be dropping a lot more value. So we have a couple more seconds to go. Couple more seconds to go, and then we'll be ending our live. I appreciate you again for passing through. Hope you guys got a lot of value. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments if you're watching it on the replay, so I can answer that and we make a discussion around it. So a couple more seconds and then we're done, and then we'll be heading on out of here. So I wish you all the best. So that's it. Thank you guys again for passing through. Team Cold Mansion again. If you want to learn a proper trading strategy, I have the Secret Sauce Masterclass. Click the link in the description. There is also a free trial for that, so you can take the risk free. No risk, I should say. It's no risk, because when you're ready, you can just cancel. Still have the Secret Sauce Zone. I have my YouTube channel. If you don't like already, like, subscribe. Again, see you again. Same time, same place next week. Team Cold Mansion. Because really, is there another option?